RokRez Premium Clear Topcoat, UV-resistant floor coating. RokRez Premium Clear Kit is a high-performance, two-component, high-solids floor coating kit, perfect for adding an additional layer of protection to your RokRez garage floor and metallic kits. This all-in-one easy-to-use kit features high-gloss UV-resistant finish, adds an extra layer of protection, excellent abrasion and chemical resistance, can be used on coated surfaces and bare concrete. The convenient all-in-one RokRez kit is designed ready to use on any clean interior concrete surface. The self-leveling formula delivers a spectacular finish that will last for years. It is essential to clean your concrete surface before applying RokRez epoxy. Sweep the floor of dirt and debris before beginning. Add 1 packet of RokRez concentrated cleaner to 2 gallons of water. Mix until the concentrated cleaner is fully dissolved. Pour the concentrated cleaner solution and vigorously scrub with a stiff bristle brush to loosen dirt and dust. Once the entire floor is cleaned, thoroughly rinse and squeegee the entire garage floor to remove any concentrated cleaner. Allow the floor to dry completely for 24 hours. Apply duct tape on the inside of the garage door track seam to ensure the garage door does not stick to the epoxy when coated. Also, if necessary, apply masking tape around wall edges to frame in the entire floor. If there are cracks on the floor, use RokRez Concrete Crack Filler to patch any cracks or pits in the concrete. Now, pour the RokRez Premium Clear Base Pouch into the RokRez Kit Bucket. Next, pour the RokRez Premium Clear Activator Pouch and mix thoroughly using the stir stick for 3 minutes. Now, pour 1 jar of the optional RokRez Slip-Resistant Additive into the mixed RokRez Premium Clear Base and Activator. Mix thoroughly until there are no clumps. Now the RokRez kit is ready for application. Use the 3-inch paintbrush to paint around the edges close to the walls, about 3 or 4 inches wide. Next, working in 4-foot by 4-foot sections, starting from the back of the garage, pour the mixed RokRez coating from the kit bucket into thin 2-inch ribbons onto the floor, or use a paint tray if desired. Using the supplied 9-inch roller cover, roll the poured epoxy in an N-shaped pattern to evenly distribute the coating over the 4-foot by 4-foot section. Be sure to back roll at least 3 to 4 times to evenly distribute the coating. Repeat all of the above steps for the remaining 4-foot by 4-foot sections until the floor is completely coated.